Hey guys, got a very simple issue, I'm sure, with the Cutech jointer. This is the 8-inch one, Teflon tables. Basically, it's throwing sawdust back up my face, so I checked the exhaust port over here and took it off, took a look, and it is clogged as could be. Pretty much from dealing with this chunk of cherry. This is the, whatever, half of it. The other half has been milled down, and I went back to get to it this morning to see what was going on, and that's what I discovered. So go ahead and zoom in on this here and clean it up real quick. Just got to shop back. All right. Hopefully this will be real quick. That ought to do it. Shiny clean again. I'll follow up if there's any problem with it. I certainly doubt it. See ya.